top with my other top got one especially as that. Yeah, I thought this hit for the month. This bar I don't have no it. I'm the bar. No swim. Yeah, that's that. Wow. Come on, but some got squad. Do I ever come up with squad? Come on, but no, we'll be up for that one. This is a good. This one has Dorian Bulldog and what's that the other one? Yeah, Jazzy, if I get it. I was checking Jazzy, if I get it. So, this is upload. It does have feature on my end. So I'm a guy. I hope this is upload. Really cool, but this one, oh my god, I don't know. This one was so bad. Yeah, look at that. It was doing One Piece, at Dragon Ball Z. Just we could upload. I'm missing out. We keep going to upload now. Seriously, oh my god, that was just muy. But, and look at that, which is more commercial, like what I said. It's that QTV, man. Hey, this is 220, 2021. It's gonna be too old. Except for that YouTube buff. Not so much, but there will be doing for the YouTube mouth of ridiculous. Look, man. No, I mean, man. There's, speaking of mouth buff, they have the block show now. This fucking connected. No, come on. This Palmer the buff. Do we have a commercial for the block show? I don't know. Show, but that comes below. But this one has the Pop Art Show. And yeah, there's the Pop Art Show. The Bob Clever Show. And don't forget to the Bob Clever Show commercial. This is one of the popular commercials I don't see. For those who come out nowadays, yeah, that would be easy to upload. We'll call it Chorus 1. March 121. Lots of family got roots to love. Yeah, it does have goes in the set the place of force though. Yeah, that's pretty easy when you get upload. So goes in the set the place of force. There's no there's I mentioned before I got Yogi Bear and several cartoons up there. Yogi Bear and I think Miguel Burrell. This Miguel Burrell, come on. If I call him the one, yeah, do this video. That's not. Just really this is pretty easy stuff. Okay. Oh, this one. Oh my god, the boy right there. Oh my god, what is right there? Oh my god. Oh my god, I pressed it down. It's upside down. So. I will be a big help of that pop. Speaking of pops, this is just making new fun to you. The movie that I was back in 2018, I was watching back in December 2020. Yeah, that will be a very cool stuff. Very cool. I will call the sometime this summer. Okay. This was usually cool to re-upload. It does have the stuff and from I think December, type of December 11, 20, not 2010. See like that. NFL 9 6 upload kill here once a Bowie. Missed out on that one. We gonna upload that one. Yeah, Space Ghost stuff. Always talk about that one. Couple days for the month. Video. They should be might be a little bit shorter than but whatever it is. What it is. Yep, it is what it is. Trying to see. It does have to take that far, but this has all cool team stuff. But what? You get, you get home. You get the home. It's only like, I don't think it's a yeah, case course one. Case course is big. So don't forget to ask Wizard the Wabbit stuff. Wizard better check this Wizard the Wabbit. So don't much else to say about this video. Look, it's so tired. Was might feel long to you. And so yeah, there's comments, but I want so much more. Well, we might get market pessimistic comments because the market pessimistic is I think late July, like in the middle of July, late July, early August. Because that guy's with market pessimistic. So that guy's with market pessimistic. Yes. 2 to 3 me forward I'm sure, but then don't much else to say about this. You, but the mama said nothing, but she got messed up. Yeah, she got messed up. The mama Pongo do one. I will say this a couple days or something with that, but she got messed up. Yeah, but, yeah, she got messed up. Yeah, but, yeah, she got messed up.